Philips Hue Smart Bulbs represent a sophisticated and highly customizable smart lighting system that can transform any living space. These bulbs are part of the Philips Hue ecosystem, which includes a variety of lights, sensors, and switches that work together to create a personalized lighting experience. One of the primary advantages of Philips Hue Smart Bulbs is their ability to produce a wide range of colors and shades of white light. Depending on the model, you can choose from millions of colors and thousands of white tones, from warm to cool. This flexibility allows users to create the perfect ambience for any occasion, whether it's a relaxing evening with a warm glow or a vibrant party atmosphere with dynamic colors. The bulbs are controlled via the Philips Hue app, which offers a user-friendly interface for managing your lighting setup. Through the app, you can adjust the brightness, change colors, set schedules, and create custom lighting scenes. For example, you can set a schedule to gradually dim the lights at night to help you wind down, or brighten them in the morning to simulate a sunrise. Integration with voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit adds another layer of convenience. With simple voice commands, you can turn lights on or off, adjust brightness, change colors, or activate predefined scenes. This hands-free control is particularly useful when your hands are full or you're in a different room. One of the standout features of Philips Hue Smart Bulbs is their ability to synchronize with other media, such as movies, music, and games. Using the Philips Hue Sync app on a computer, you can create a more immersive experience by having your lights react in real time to the content on your screen. For instance, the lights can flash and change colors in sync with the action on your TV, making movie watching or gaming more engaging. In addition to the standard bulbs, the Philips Hue lineup includes a variety of lighting products such as light strips, table lamps, and outdoor lights. This diversity allows users to extend their smart lighting setup throughout their entire home, both indoors and outdoors. Security and convenience are also enhanced with the Philips Hue system. With features like geofencing, your lights can automatically turn on or off when you arrive home or leave, providing a sense of security and ensuring you never come home to a dark house. Additionally, the system can be integrated with smart home security systems to flash lights in case of an alarm, drawing attention and potentially deterring intruders. The Philips Hue Bridge is the central hub that connects all your Hue devices. It uses Zigbee technology to communicate with the bulbs, ensuring a reliable and fast connection. The bridge also allows for remote control of your lights via the Hue app, even when you're not at home.